afternoon, my dear real estate investor. Hope you all are doing well today. So I'm live here at Isaac John Street, Jibo, Yaba, Lagos, to give you a development update of what is going on here at Allyson Residence. I actually did a preview video with the developer. That was a few weeks ago. So I'm going to show you that video, but I just wanted you to have a look, okay, about the environment before we go in to see the development project. Right, so I'm here on site to give development updates, and I'm here with the engineer Niola. So he's going to just tell us what's going on site, then I'll take it over from there.
All right, so currently we are at the completion of the rafting works.
Okay, completion of the raft.
Yeah, the rafting work. As you can see, the carpenters are working on boarding the reinforcement,
okay,
so we can cast anytime soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we are actually waiting for Lagos State building contractors to come
and check.
Yeah, come check before they give us go ahead
to do the
cast.
To cast it.
Yes,
okay.
Sir. So
okay.
Yeah, basically after this, like I said, it's the casting of the next thing, then the laying of the ground floor slab, called German floor, the mass slab. Yeah.
German floor.
So there will be reinforcement. Since it's a raft, there will be reinforcement works. Before the reinforcement work, we'll lay what's called the dam proof on it. Yes. Okay. So then we have the reinforcement of the laying of the reinforcement actually. Then after that we cast the slab. Then afterwards we can now start directing our columns.
Okay. So when exactly are we looking at completion?
Completion, yeah, the timeline given to us by Prime Ridge to handover was we're given 9 months. So I think 9 months from now should be around January.
Okay.
So, and I work with the allied contractors, and allied contractors are actually trying to work within the time frame. Yeah,
and it is achievable.
Yeah, it's achievable.
Very
achievable. We already have our work schedule, and we are trying as much as possible to see that we are within that time frame.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. All right. So you heard it from the engineer on site. All right. So I want to say a very big congratulations to all our real estate investors that keyed in. For many that might just be seeing this project for the first time, this is the Allyson Residence here at Jibo, Isaac John Street, Yaba, Lagos. And you might be wondering why Yaba is the needed, real estate investment destination. Back us here, the building you are seeing is the administrative block of Yaba Tech. 2 minutes roundabout from here, we have the popular Igbobi College. Unilag is just 3 minutes drive from this place. Okay. Then from here now you can access Ikorodu Road. Then you are at Ikeja in less than 30 minutes drive. If you are going to the international airport, it's less than 30 minutes drive. Now from here now to the Third Mainland Bridge is less than 10 minutes. So if you have been in Lagos and if you understand the importance of owning an apartment in Yaba, so we have here that if you are doing annual, but here what we're doing here is a short-let project. If you own a studio apartment which is selling for 52 million, you stand a chance of making between 6 to 10 million naira annually from short-let. If you own a 1-bedroom apartment which is selling for 85 million, you stand a chance to earn between 10 to 12 million naira annually. Then if you own a 2-bedroom apartment which is selling for 100 million, you have an opportunity to make between 12 to 15 million annually from short-let. So these are not imaginative figures. This is what apartment in this Yaba is already doing. Okay, so and we have few short-let apartments, so there's a guarantee that this project will certainly do well here. Now what we have is a payment plan of 9 months, and if you are a smart real estate investor, look at the surroundings. This is the center of everything. If you missed out in investing in Ikeja, if you missed out in investing in Magodo, if you missed out in investing in key areas on the mainland, here is a golden opportunity for you to own a project. Delivery is January, but the shortlets and full management will be taking effect as from February, March 2027. You don't need all the necessary motivation for you to own an investment here. But more importantly, if you are an investor who loves cash flow, we are managing it for you. If you choose to manage it by yourself, that option is equally available. Look at the environment again. Solemn, serene, secured, and of course, classy. Give me a call. In real estate investment, location is not just important. Location says it all. Location determines how valuable your property is. Location determines the return on investment as well as the highest appreciation value. Behind me here is one of the heavily guarded secured estates, and I have a construction project which is called the Brooks End Apartment here in Anthony, Maryland. As you can see, there are construction sites everywhere. What we are doing here is a state of the art. If you are an investor who wants to make his money work for him, then you should not ignore this. What we are building here is a state of the art shortlet project. When I talk about the state of the art, I'm talking about a 4-star hotel accommodation project here that will be fetching you from 700,000 naira monthly. So this kind of project is for an investor who wants to make money annually through shortlet investment. The most fascinating thing right now is that we are going to build, we are going to construct, we are going to manage, and we will remit you. That means that at the comfort of anywhere you are across the world, you are going to make money. Let's talk about the pricing. In Anthony, Maryland, the cheapest 1-bedroom apartment is between 180 million to 200 million, and the cheapest 2-bedroom apartment is between 230, 250 and 280 million. Here you get a 1-bedroom apartment for 110 and you get a 2-bedroom apartment for 150. Why are you getting it? Because we are still constructing. This project will be completed by December 2026. So it is not for everybody. It is for the 1% of the 1%. So if you are the people that want to stay among the classy, the influential, as well as the financially privileged individuals, Anthony, Maryland is a location that you must not involve. There's a flexible payment plan of up to 6 to 12 months with an initial deposit of just a 30% and a payment spread. See, there's not much I need to say. This is going to have the world class. We're going to have 2 major elevators. We're going to have a rooftop lounge. Yes, you know that kind of lounge where you know, at the closure of work, you can have beer, you can have relaxation. We're going to have state-of-the-art gym. We're going to have everything that makes a 5 and a 4-star hotel accommodation very, very happy. So what we're doing here is a shortlet project, and it's not for everybody. So in case you are interested in this project, you know what to do. We only have just limited units because we are selling. So the price at this construction stage for 1-bedroom is 110, for 2-bedroom 150. Like I said, we've done this successfully at our 2 shortlet projects in Surulere. We've also done it at Ilupeju. We're presently doing it at Ikeja, which is the Allyson Residence. And trust me, if you check those projects, you don't need a soothsayer to tell you that if you invest here, you have just invested with the best shortlet real estate development company in Nigeria. For more information, give me a call.